D-Day's going over there.
D-Day's going over there. Wow. Oh, there we go.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, man.
Again, you missed it.
Oh, the tree's in the way. Sorry, I missed the first one.
Don't touch your ball.
Oh!
Your ball. Yes, it is.
And then Cloverfield happened. Oh my God!
With fireworks.
Well, that is cool on cam.
3D floors.
Hey, you guys. How do you guys like?
Oh, oh, you missed it.
Oh, I got.
Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Oh,
pretty.
so gross. If I knew what you're thinking of. Oh. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I wish I was
And yeah, this is.
Hey guys on YouTube. Ever wish that you were younger? Like, so you could be easily amused?
Yeah, this is not really that.
What? I'm
amazing.
Wait, I'm easily amused.
There's a lot of kids here.
Yeah, as you guys can hear.
I'm a little kid.
Okay,
that one was red and looked like a flower.
Yeah.
It's like balls.
Whoa. Someone's dusty. No.
Explosive.
Red and green.
Explosive diarrhea.
Well, that's purple.
Explosive diarrhea.
Blowjob from the janitor.
From the janitor.
Jacked off by my salary.
Didn't I make a British asshole? Yeah. I love that.
Boom.
You know what I hate? It's like the thing. No. Your mom, actually. No, I'm joking.
Purple.
Don't go up there, and then the lights
White.
will come out, and then it'll burn. It's like a late reaction almost.
No, it's not. It's light, sound.
My hand's sweating.
Light and sound.
Why can't they just do light?
Boom.
They can't. It won't converse. It won't explode.
Darn.
If they could only remove that stinking bush.
Go in front of the bush. There are two more in the bush.
Two more in the bush.
I feel like it
And
just
there's
been
a
laid.
Pole in the bush. The bush. Oh, the bush. It's the biggest.
I don't mean the glut, but mine is the biggest.
A bush.
It's a bush. I can't.
Just like George Bush.
Oh, I can't really judge.
I can't really judge.
A bush. A mother bush.
I can judge, but I can't judge.
I lost feeling in my arm.
Here.
No, it's okay.
No, it's
No,
my camera anyway.
It's okay.
I thought it was my
It kind of got stuck like this.
I feel like taking a
Blowjob from the
I
janitor.
wish we had a bench here.
Explosive diarrhea.
Seriously, there's one chair free. Go get it.
I'm gonna have a link for that Whose Line Is It Anyway bloopers. For some reason, I just feel like it. It's all dark. Whoa! Also, there's a firework with a picture of Obama on it. Then there's one with Bush with a cross through it.
What?
Nothing. No. Bush with an X through it.
No. Okay. There's a ring firework. I said, here's a ring for you, Sonic. Whoa!
Whoa! D-Day in the sky.